Hey everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I'm headed out to Trader Joe's. I have not been there in so long, so I want to take you along with me today and show you some of our favorites that we get from Trader Joe's. Plus, Kobe's coming with me. So we just pulled up. We have our masks ready. It's been so long since I've been here, at least a couple of months. And we are just needing some great family favorites, some good comfort foods, and I can't wait to show you what we get. I got Kobe, we got our masks, and we're ready to go. So there's a long line to get into the store, like really long. So we just finished up at Trader Joe's. It was kind of a little bit of a madhouse, not gonna lie. The line wasn't too long to get into the store, but I felt like I was in line that long. Don't you think we were in that line that long just getting out of the store? Yeah. Holy mackerel. But I can't wait to show you what we got. Just some really good stuff that I can put in the freezer, just some good comfort foods, and just some stuff that we can add to our meals this week. But since Trader Joe's is so close to one of our favorites, Fizz, I thought I would just pick up sodas for everyone on our way home. They just took our order and I can't wait. Yum. Hey, it's time to share. You guys, our quarantine for our state has lifted a little bit. So now we have orders really to stay home till May 15th, but things are relaxing a little bit more. As of May 1st, all non-essential businesses are open just for pickup though, which means that people are out and about. People can pick up things from businesses. It's the pickup orders. And I will tell you, at Trader Joe's, it was packed. All of my friends are saying that people are out and about. Places like Costco, you have to wear a mask, but you know, that's the price we're paying right now for this time of our lives, because we are just being extra cautious. So if I have to wear a mask into places to get out, you best believe I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna show you what we got. You can see I already got a watermelon. Oh, I love it. We hit our 100-degree day this past week, and now it's just 90s. It's warm. It feels like summer has already hit Las Vegas. So let me show you what this is. All right, so this is one of those Danish Kringles, and it is in raspberry flavor. I think the one time I got it, like around Christmas time, it was a maple one. I can't remember exactly, but it was, oh man, it was delicious. It was so good. So they are a little bit pricey. This was like $8, but I will immediately cut it in half and just put half into the freezer, and you know, kind of hopefully we forget about it for a minute. And then I'll just cut the other one up for the family, maybe for breakfast. Let's keep going. I got some soft pretzels. These will go into the freezer. Really, it just microwaves in like a minute or cooks. I just remember it's really easy. Oh, you bake it for like a few minutes. Such an easy thing to cook with. And I have a can of nacho cheese. It's been sitting in my pantry for like a month. I have a feeling we're going to celebrate with some pretzels. I picked up some more butter. Always use the butter. I let Kobe pick up some of these. He loves Mott sticks, and the Trader Joe's brand is a really good one. Now you can see it's not huge, but you know what, you guys? Trader Joe's is not known for bulk buying. So if you have a large family, Trader Joe's may not be what you need to, you know, feed your whole family. They're kind of for the extras. Let me show you an example. Normally, when I buy a bag of potatoes, it's like 5 pounds or 10 pounds. These are 3 pounds. So this is really gonna be enough for a dinner for one, but they're good size. So I'm not complaining, and there's enough one for everybody. Perfect for our family. So that's good for a meal. Same thing with the apples. You know, you're just getting a couple of pounds. It was actually a really good price for Honeycrisp, $2.99. And so that's what I'm talking about. So I can see where Paul and I, as we get older and kids grow and leave the home or whatever, that we would be buying more of our groceries from Trader Joe's because they're actually in smaller quantities or enough for 2 people, like in little meals and stuff like that, which that's gonna be the perfect way to go for Paul and I. But for now, it's kind of the extras, or good for lunches and things like that, unless I buy multiples, and I do sometimes. So I bought 2 of these corns. These are my favorite organic sweet corns. These are perfect for stews. I make it with arroz con pollo. I just make them for dinner. I mean, it's so good. And I don't normally buy like cereal bars and granola bars too often unless I go to Trader Joe's. So I get one of these boxes. They have the chocolate bottoms, so I know the boys will really like that. And I know Ezra really does prefer these cereal bars, these strawberry ones. And how funny is that? This strawberry walks into a bar. Did I ever tell you guys that, or show you guys that many years ago when before Jonas, when my first 2 were about 3 and 4 years old, we went to Trader Joe's and that the register lady asked for their picture. And I thought that was so weird, but she turned out to be the artist that does the hand-drawn pictures in the store when they're doing their displays for different sales. And she thought that my boys were so cute that she put them in one of her advertisement pictures. And isn't that super cute? Like, I just love it. And she offered to sell it to us, but we were just not in a place to purchase it. I had just taken pictures of it and blown those up. And besides, the thing was huge. Like, it would have just been weirdly sized with lemonade sales on it. I did get some more carrots. And I got a little ciabatta bread. Now I'll use this for a dinner and have slices like this ready to toast up. Good side. Let's keep going. All right, I got some more stuff for the freezer. My favorite, chocolate babka. Have you ever had it? So let me show you the side here. It's like layers of dark chocolate sprinkled in like a sweetened bread. It is so good, you guys. And so I only get like about a slice every so often. So that's why I like putting it in the freezer, because I think I'm the only one in my family that really likes it. Maybe Jonas. He's over there shaking his head. He likes it. He likes it. And as I'm unpacking things, even Ezra's over here going, ooh, I love that. I like it. So I think I did pretty good. I got these Dunkers. These are really good. They're this oatmeal with cranberries. Jonas is back there cheering with the white fudge drizzle on it. So I'm not like a huge oatmeal fan, but like for cookies, like I'm not going to like purposely go and buy oatmeal raisin cookies or anything like that. But these ones are just that good. Another thing I got was just some tortilla chips. They're always good to have on hand, and Pirate's Booty, except it's upside down. Pirate's Booty. Now, I feel like these bags used to be bigger. Don't you think they used to be bigger, guys?
Yeah.
But they're still a really good price, under $2, and it does last a while. But they used to call this Pirate's Booty, but I think they, by they I mean Trader Joe's, sold it to a company that took the name as well. So now they're white cheddar corn puffs. Another thing that I got was for Paul. He likes these trail mixes. They're already they have individually like serving sized. They have them in like tons of different like combinations, flavors, whatever you could probably find something that would be perfect for your family. I picked up a thing of mozzarella because look at these. These are pizza crust. There's 2 here. I thought that would be kind of fun for the kids for lunches. It was like $3.50-ish for these 2. So I thought, let's give it a try. And they're pretty good sized, I thought. So I'll let you know what I think about them. Let's keep going. Okay, so we got some good treats coming up. So I got some strawberry mochi. If you've never had it, it's like ice cream wrapped in like a gummy dough that goes on the outside. It's gluten-free. It's made out of rice dough. It is so good. There's different brands, different kinds, so I'm sure you'll get some different flavors. The one that I had recently was made out of cashew milk, so I'm not sure if that's what this is, but I thought for Paul, maybe we should try having a little bit more gluten-free snacks and treats for him, because, you know, the rest of the boys are gonna have, you know, some ice cream cones. These looked, I let Kobe pick these ones out. He thought these would be perfect for just a little treat, and they look little, like they look great to just kind of snack on quickly, right? Also, Kobe picked up a couple of these mac and cheeses. He said he was kind of wanting some mac and cheese, so I kind of, when we saw them, I reminded him. But I think that the Phillips really like this one, so we're gonna give it a try, and it feels good, like a good size, so easily I think this would be great for Kobe as a meal. We'll see. Okay, I got some roasted potatoes with the bell peppers in them. I don't know if there's onions. Oh, and onions. This is for Paul. This is like his favorite combination of potatoes with the onions and bell peppers. Not so much mine. So I'll make sure I make that for him if we're having something different. A lot of times I'll do that. I'll make two different meals, because if the boys are just wanting pizza or something like pretty easy, like a bowl of cereal or something, then I know I need to kind of, you know, think of Paul if he's doing because he's doing gluten-free. So I want to make something that's fairly easy and fast. Thank you, Trader Joe's, for these kinds of meals. You guys, if you have not had chocolate covered strawberries, now these strawberries are like itty bitty, like just teeny tiny. They are so good. They also have sliced bananas, which are very good as well. But these ones, wow, these were like my favorite the last time I got them. So I made sure, I told myself the next time I went that I would get 2 of them, because that way I can at least share it with the boys, because then they try to get them. I'm like, don't touch my strawberries. So now I got 2. Of course I can share. So these are like those meals I was telling you about. These are perfect for a couple or maybe 3 people. This is beef and broccoli. I don't normally get this one very often, but I thought if maybe for Paul, he could have some. We'll see what he says. If not, he is a big fan of this one. This barbecue chicken teriyaki. Now I bought these ones, a similar one to this from Winco. I believe it was like Ling's brand. Also very good. So this is the original good. And then the Winco is the 2.0 that is a little bit more for, like you get more in the package for the price. Another thing that I got Paul were rice tortillas, brown rice tortillas. So I'm gonna put these, I will put these in the freezer, and so when it's time to make them, I'll just thaw them, put it in the microwave, thaw it out, and now he'll have a tortilla. So these are pretty decent, he said, in taste. So we don't get them very often, but I'm glad when I can find them. Just some broccoli, and that broccoli I'll probably make into a broccoli soup that I can pour over potatoes. That is such a yummy meal for our family. Another snack that boys have loved, these honey wheat pretzels, since they were all teeny tiny. So you're talking about 20 years, you guys. I've been buying those. I bought Ezra some of these baby bluebells. Where are you at, Ez? Baby bluebells. And Kobe bought these ones. He wanted to pick these out, these Aloha rolls. They're nice and sweet. The guy at the register was joking that he wanted to take them home for himself, but he said that they're super good with sandwiches. And of course, he's correct. I picked up just a can of tuna. Now, I bought recently at Winco, the last time I went to Winco, just a can of tuna that they had in the aisle of savings. And I'm like, well, I'll just try it. Hopefully I'm not too bougie. You guys, it wasn't that good. That was weird. That it was like 88 cents or something like that, or 77 cents. And it was really crumbly, and maybe I am bougie with tuna. But anyways, I just bought this one, this albacore in water from the Trader Joe's, because I remember really liking it. So before I have this, I'll put it in the refrigerator so the can gets cold, so it's ready to make sandwiches when I'm ready to make it. I really like their rice pudding there. So I just thought that might be fun just to have it in the refrigerator and it's good for like another month. So, hey. And I'm also a fan of their chicken salad there. So I know like the brands at Costco keep changing, and I used to really like getting them at Costco, but this one isn't too bad. So I like this one. It's actually pretty good. I got some hand soap. This was just the foamy one, but that peony blossoms. Yeah, I'm not gonna say yum, but wow, that would smell so good. I picked up Paul and Kobe some almond milk. They are fans of that. And last but not least, cowboy bark. I can see Jonas in the back over here going like this. He is a fan. So I have made a recipe, a dupe to this and I'll link that below. Such an easy way to make it and make a lot of it. But this is just a little snack. So, and Jonas asked me for it before we left. So I was happy to find it. You guys, it is so fun to get to go to Trader Joe's. I may reconsider going though for a while because that was a little insane to try to get in that really long line. Although I understand it completely, it does require a little more time on my part. So I might go, maybe we'll check it out at the end of summer and see how it's looking. But you guys, I hope you liked our family favorites from Trader Joe's. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, we'd love to have you follow along because I do lots of cooking, lots of shopping and grocery hauls, and it's just our life. So stick around, rollers. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.